What's the meaning of calisthenics? Calisthenics. Calisthenics.
Calisthenics. Calisthenics. Calisthenics refers to a form of exercise consisting of a series of bodyweight and resistance exercises designed to improve strength, flexibility, and cardiovascular fitness. The exercises range from simple bodyweight movements such as squats and push-ups to more complex gymnastic movements like handstands and muscle-ups. Performing calisthenics regularly can lead to significant improvements in overall body composition, muscular endurance, and cardiovascular health. It can also improve balance, coordination, and agility. Moreover, calisthenics requires no equipment or gym membership, making it a convenient and cost-effective way to stay fit and healthy. In short, calisthenics is an excellent way to build a strong, healthy body using only your own body weight.